Hey, it's me again, your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. On today's video, we are going to be trying on another wig. This one is by Outre in the style PH17, and I got it in the color number 1. This wig, y'all, was under $50. You can get it on Amazon. That's where I got mine from. It is a part of their lace front perfect hairline series. It is 24 inches in length. It is fully hand tied, 13 inch by 6 inch parting space, and is heat styling friendly. With it being heat safe up to 400 degrees. It does also have a transparent lace, so you have that HD look, and it has a glueless pre-attached elastic band. And it comes with the natural baby hairs and a pre-plucked hairlines, which of course all those features are listed on the back of this box here. As you can see, I love how they package their product. It gives you everything you need to know about the wig right on the packaging, whether it's inside or outside. Now, inside the box, you're going to get the care guide of how you take care of the unit, and you're going to get the step-by-step instructions on how to install the unit to your head, which I find that with Outre, they always have the easiest install. I think their goal is to give you that look without having to do all the stress. But if you're into it and you're a wig baddie who slays wigs, I'm sure you can make this one be slayed. You can slay this one as well. So we're gonna go ahead and open her up and look at this unit, take off this card and all the stuffing and stuff. Yeah, y'all, hopefully everybody's been doing okay out there in the world. So far this year has been interesting, I'll say that. Here in Maryland, we're finally getting into some warm weather, but the weather here is so crazy, y'all. It'll be snowing and then the sun will be out and hot. But here's the pre-plucked look. You can see where this is. It actually is pre-plucked. The lace is a bit ashy, but we can fix that with some makeup. For those of you who have a lighter skin tone, that may not be an issue for you, but for me, I'm going to have to tint this lace so it, blends better with my darker skin tone. The wig construction on the inside, it has that meshy cap. As far as the wig construction, it is breathable, but it's not that finger poke through cap that's breathable. And it does have that 13 by 6 parting space across the front in the lace parting. And it does have 2 combs on the sides, 1 on each side and 1 comb in the back. And here's that pre-attached elastic band, y'all. So this wig ain't going nowhere. And they didn't tell me that it had the adjustable strap with the eyelets as well. So you can adjust the adjustable strap, you can adjust the elastic band, you got the combs, y'all, and then you can glue it down too. So this wig literally is not gonna go anywhere. And Outre wigs are usually of very good quality, so we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the wig for what I like to do. So I'm moving all the hair out of the way, moving it forward, and just brushing everything out of the way so I don't cut any of the hair as I prep the wig to be installed on my head. But like I was saying, I hope everybody's doing okay out there in the world. I'm sending good vibes to you, praying for everybody to have everything that they need or want in the world brought to them with ease and just less stress, So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just prep the wig. I'm just going to cut off this lace. I recommend using like your brow razor for this part, y'all. I've been saying for months I need to find my brow razors. I'm going to go literally just go for a purpose or go into the beauty store to get brow razors, because I've been saying for months I'm gonna order them and I still ain't done it. So I'm using my crafting scissors to cut this lace off, which is gonna be too straight. I know it is. So just be mindful that the straighter your cutting tool is, the more blunt that line of demarcation of the wig will be when you try to lay the wig down on your head. So just be cognizant that you're gonna need something with more of a jagged cut, like the, what is it called? The brow razor. That's what I like to use in the past, and it has worked well to help the blend down be just a little bit better. Not much better, but a little bit better, especially for us with darker skin tone. That line of demarcation of that straight line when using regular scissors is very, very prominent, even when you tint it and everything else. So now I'm going to go in with some foundation. This is just some old foundation I have that I use to tint the lace of my wigs. It works well for me. You can use whatever you have or whatever method is best for you. They do have lace tint mousse, and you can use, I've seen people use concealer. I even see people use like Sharpie sometimes too, just to darken some areas a little bit more, especially when you're just trying to make certain parts more prominent than others. So y'all can watch me do this. It shouldn't take me too much longer here. Vibe out to the music, and then I'm gonna pop on and we're gonna put her on my head. All right, stay tuned. Oh, I just wanted to pop in here to show you how that little bit of concealer or foundation made it look so much better against my skin tone, and that it is actually pre-plucked. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've already put away my hair. This is how long she is. The hair is very pretty. It definitely looks like a natural texture. I am getting a few strands of hair from it. Not a lot though. Well, actually, it's quite a bit. So prepare your mind for that. So yeah, pretty good bit. I like that it's bouncy. It's got plenty of body. I feel like it will last like this for at least a week or two with the movement. And it feels like hair when it's blown out. So you're gonna get that natural looking texture when you put the wig on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on, see what she look like. She's definitely big head friendly, plenty of room. It doesn't have ear tabs, it just goes straight back. It kind of has one right here, but it doesn't have like that hardcore ear tab. You know what I'm talking about? That little triangle piece that be hanging out right there. It doesn't have that. Bring it forward. Okay. What are we thinking? Almost want to cut that off. Maybe I can glue it down or hairspray it down. Let's see. Has natural body to it. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees though, so you can put more curls in it if you want to. Me, I like to see what it looked like. Ooh, right out the box without having to do anything to it. That's the whole purpose of a wig to me. I don't want to have to do a lot of work, you know? That's the whole purpose of me putting one on. I'm so left-handed. But yeah, this is cute. The parting space. It goes all the way back. Yeah, she could be pretty. It sheds like crazy though. So prepare your mind for that. I got a pretty good bit of clumpage here. I don't know if I cut some of the hairs when I was cutting the lace or what. That could be it. I don't know. But it's shedding for me. It's very easy to comb, very soft, very movable. Feel like it won't tangle easy. I like that curl that it already has in there. Throw it on and go? Yes, but what can I do about this right here? I don't like how that looks. So what I like to do is pull out some baby hair and try to hide it a bit. I know it came with baby hair. I don't know why. There it is. Why all the big hairs want to come out? Something like this. If you don't want to cut more hair. Put some mousse on it to get the hairs to direct in the way you want to. Ow, got in my eye. Oh, it's in my eye. Okay. So, yeah. Just to camouflage that that lace a bit. But wig slayers, they'll be able to camouflage it, no problem. I guarantee it. For me, as a novice, just an everyday wig wearer type person, this is what I would do. Nothing too fancy. A little bit of concealer. Make the parting space pop a bit. Take an edge brush and direct the hairs. And this is just an edge brush that came with one of the wigs I got before. Just like it, tuck it.
to hide it further back. Like that. Bring this down more. I might end up cutting that piece off. He doesn't want to hide. So this one is pretty. I just don't like that it sheds so much. Again, it might have been the fact that I cut some of the edge hair off. But I try to avoid them, so I honestly don't know why it's shedding so much. The hair is pretty. Feel like I can style it the way I want to. Maybe I can flip it this way. See what happens. Yeah, this would be a good everyday wig. Pop it on, go to the store, go to work. Okay, so this is how I would wear it. It's literally a throw on and go. I just brush it out a bit. I put a little bit of my, what is this? Braiding gel on my finger, like that much, if anything. Just to tame down the flyaways up the top so it's not looking so humpy. Like that. Brought our hair forward. Redirect it with the curls, like so. It's pretty. She pretty. Yeah. Can y'all see me? Yeah. Trying to get all the light that I can. But this is how long she is on me. Very pretty wig, highly suggested. This is what she looking like in the back. Very pretty. Yeah, I love her. Throw on and go. Throw on and go. Feel like I'm gonna have to keep a brush on me though, so I can keep the look that I want. Okay, so yeah, this has been your girl Vanessa, aka Vanessa. If you like this one, this will be linked in the description box below. Any coupon codes that I have associated with the wig will be also in the description box. And if you like this one, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and say what's up in the comments. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Vanessa out. Peace.